Hello to all the channel's followers and subscribers. Today we have a lot to cover about crypto and stock in general. If we start with the crypto, as we noticed last week, the Bitcoin hit $70,000, but once it hit the $70,000, you guys notice what happened? Some whales sold Bitcoin and it went down close to 60,000. It dropped about 12%. But as you can see, it went back to where it was, almost 70,000 again. And am I excited about the Bitcoin? Yes, it's gonna go hit the highest record. It broke the highest record, and most analysts think it's gonna go up much more than that. 100,000 more than that. So Bitcoin, we still know. But if you ask me what is my strategy, how do I invest? I have to say I bought those cryptos. I have about 20 kinds of cryptos, but I bought them a long time ago, 6 months to a year before everything started going up. That's my strategy in general. But now, at this moment, you guys are gonna say, okay, what should I invest into now? I'll say, I usually lean towards, I'm not a financial advisor, by the way, that's just my opinion. I usually lean towards cryptos that didn't go up too much yet. So if you say, let's say Shiba, even though I have a lot of Shiba and Dogecoin, they went up 300%, 400%. See, they went up. But there are still some cryptos that didn't go up too much yet. For instance, if you look at the Stellar XML, yeah, it went up, but not like 400 or 500%. It's still in the 20, 30%. So is there an opportunity? I think yes. I'm putting money in those that didn't go up too much yet. You know what I mean? If I will invest now, that's what I'll do. And I'll give you an example. Let's say 4 years ago, when the Ethereum went up like 100, 200, 300, 400%. When that happened, I didn't go buy Ethereum at that moment. I went to the Ethereum class that didn't go up yet. And I bought it. And guess what? It went up maybe 1,000% after that. Because it didn't go up yet. So generally, that's my strategy, because I already bought a lot of cryptos 6 months ago and a year before they went up. I'm just holding them. But if I want to still invest, I'll go to those that didn't go up too much yet. Maybe only 10, 20%. Yeah, I'll put more money in those. Then if we switch to the stock market, as you guys noticed the last video, I talked about AI stocks, and that was the best. I bought many of those AI stocks 6 months ago, about a year ago, some of them, and all of them at least doubled. If you ask me about my advice, what should I do now? I'm not a financial advisor again. This is just my opinion. But what I do usually, some stocks that pay dividends, I buy those stocks. Like Intel, for instance. Yeah, I hold the shares and they pay me dividends, and I'm happy with that. I just sell calls weekly. But some stocks, like AMD, they don't pay dividends, right? So what I did about a month ago, or close to a year ago, I bought some long-term calls. When AMD share was like close to $100 or less, I bought a long-term call. So instead of me buying the shares for $10,000 or $20,000, I bought that call contract for less. Back then it was like close to $2,000. So I didn't need to spend that much money to buy it, but almost all the profit AMD made, I made it on that one call. So that call cost me about, as I said, close to $3,000. Now it's worth about $10,000. So I made more than 300% what I invested. You know what I mean? I didn't have to invest 10,000. I only invested 3,000, but I made almost the same profit. You get the point? So some stocks who pay dividends, yeah, I hold the shares and buy them and sell calls. Some stocks that don't pay dividends, I lean towards buying a long-term call for stocks that I believe are gonna go up very much. Hold those and also sell calls on them every week, so to make more profit. So that's my strategy. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.